la 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 la.
What are you doing?
Oh, amazing Phil.
Hey.
It's the fireworks code, you know. Remember, the 5th of November, la la la.
Well, that's a straw.
Yes, I know it's a straw. Oh, you've ruined it now.
Sorry.
Cheeky on Cheek TV, and the purple puppet loves celebrity and fun.
Hello, Chicky Chops. It's me. And I'm going to save your life with my YouTube friends, with the firework code. That's right, yeah?
What are you doing? Don't you know? You never put fireworks in a pocket.
They're Rolos.
Ain't you read the script? Always keep water ready for an emergency.
Preferably something along the lines of Evian. Nothing like a supermarket water.
Not me, you fool! The fireworks!
What? You said water.
Never let a child handle fireworks. You look very young. Do you have ID?
Sorry, no.
That's it. The code says 18 metres from fences and hedges.
I can't see anything.
Safety first, Tom.
I'm on fire, girl.
Always read the label on fireworks.
Milk chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter. Wait, this is a Kit Kat chunky.
So it is. Here, you trying to ruin my video?
Of course not.
It's not working. I told you we shouldn't have got the Morrison's multi-pack. I mean, oh.
No! Never go back! Always use a taper at arm's length to light fireworks.
But this is a chopstick.
It is not a chopstick. I'm on a budget. Oh, that's so pretty.
Does he realise they're just straws?
Keep them at arm's length, Chicky Chops.
This is lame.
No!
Bam, baby, bam. Disco Inferno.
Stop! In the name of love. Don't you know, once you drops a sparkler, you can't pick it up.
Oh, okay.
Noob. Phil,
Yeah?
where is your lions? Do you know you have to keep pets inside on fireworks nights?
Well, they're lions. They're fearless.
Arr. What about the lion in Wizard of Oz?
True.
Yeah. What have I told you? It's not safe for children. Keep back. Hang on a minute. Don't you know? You never tamper with fireworks.
Penny for the guy? Penny for the guy.
Penny for the guy. How's about you pay me? Oh, cheeky!